Jack will teach you some grafting. We're going to have to do something with this shortly. We're going to have to cut it down because it's getting too big. This is a straight Thuja occidentalis. But on the bottom, if you look very carefully, you'll see that there are a couple of other plants grafted to it. And this was a little guy that we had in the greenhouse, and I planted it here. And Jack says, well, what are you planting? I just did that as a demo. Not really for planting. So it's a good learning tool, because we've got Chemycypris obtusa nana grafted on one side. We've got Thuja occidentalis Rheingold grafted on the other. And we did have Sunkiss grafted on it, but because Sunkiss is less, photosynthetically viable, it got overwhelmed by the straight species. So typically when you graft, here's Rheingold down here, once the graft is taken, you cut the top off so you don't have these huge plants growing up. We didn't do that here because it's a great teaching tool. We're going to go to D Courtyard and look at Sunkiss. You saw obtusa nana is probably under the snow on the other side there, a little buried, but you'll see, and you can see the problems then with dwarf conifers and the growth rate of the straight species, etc., etc. The other thing you should have noticed was what about it? What did I say? What's this plant? Thuja. What have we got grafted on it? Chemycypris. So we've got, this is one of the few plants where you can change species and successfully graft. What does that tell you? That there is a very, very close relationship genetically between the species, right? So it's not often that you can change species on a graft. Now you're going to be taught this in second year. They're doing it about now, I think, in the greenhouse. They're grafting. So Jack will actually teach you how to do that.